29 September is observed all over the world as World Heart Day. In Meghalaya, the day was observed through free health camps that were organized across Shillong city. Speaking on heart health, the Joint Director of Health Services and State Nodal Officer NHM, Dr. S.S. Nongbri, informed that as part of the Ayushman Bharat mission, the public is encouraged to take advantage of telemedicine and consultation services provided in various health institutions in the state. He also appealed to members of the public to improve their lifestyle, food habits, and also keep themselves fit through exercises and yoga. This, he reiterated, would prevent all kinds of diseases of the heart and keep people healthy.
Stay away from all the bad habits like tobacco, getting plenty tobacco, alcohol consumptions. Make yourself fit by doing plenty of exercise. Maintain yourself fit by doing exercise. Now, in this program, in our NPCDS program, along with CPHC, which is known as Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Care Center, we have a center, and there we have yoga. Under this program, we have a yoga session, which we taught people above the age of 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, 60 years, how to maintain themselves fit. And that is true by giving them a class of yoga. This has been started in all the rural areas and all the sub-centers.